You are more than your labels. Science is beginning to show us just how true this is. In this episode on Intuition from Fusion of Knowledge TV, where we explore science and spirituality which spark soul, we will be running a short meditation that can help you further activate your pineal gland and increase intuition. For centuries, classical physics described a world of certainty, where apples fall from trees, pendulums swing in perfect arcs, and planets orbit the sun with clockwork precision. Newton's laws gave us comfort. Every action had a predictable reaction, and the universe seemed like a grand machine. But as scientists peered deeper, they discovered a hidden world, one that defies logic and expectation. In the quantum realm, particles can be in many places at once, and their behavior changes simply because we observe them. The famous double-slit experiment showed that light and matter can act as both waves and particles, depending on how we look. Quantum entanglement reveals that two particles, separated by vast distances, can instantly affect each other, a phenomenon Einstein called spooky action at a distance. These discoveries shattered the old story of a fixed mechanical universe. Instead, reality is a field of infinite possibilities, shaped by observation, intention, and consciousness itself. This new science is changing how we see ourselves. We collect labels: student, parent, manager, artist, each one shaping our identity as shown in psychological research on self-labeling. These labels become our story, defining who we think we are, until we forget they are just words, not our true essence. But these labels are just snapshots, not the full truth. Studies in neuroplasticity reveal our brains are always changing. At your core, you are pure, limitless potential. Quantum physics mirrors this. Experiments show that electrons exist as waves of possibility until observed. The act of observation, as proven in the double-slit experiment, collapses infinite potential into a single reality. When you label yourself stuck, uncreative, a failure, psychologists find you limit your own potential. You become the label, acting from limitation. But you can change your observation. Neuroscience shows that with new focus, your brain rewires itself. The story you tell yourself is just one of many possible realities. You have the power to shift your focus. See yourself as a dynamic wave of energy, not a fixed particle. This is the first step on the journey of quantum intuition, where science and self-awareness meet. Realize you are the observer of your life. By changing your focus, you change your reality. You're not the label. You are the consciousness that perceives it. Your potential is as vast as you allow it to be. The journey begins with this awareness. In the quantum world, nothing is truly fixed. Possibility is the fundamental nature of reality. So who will you choose to become? How do we live from infinite potential? We'll be running a short meditation that can help you further activate your pineal gland and increase intuition. But you can start by noticing your limiting beliefs. These beliefs, I'm not smart enough, I'm too old, lock us into fixed states. They're inherited, unexamined, and self-fulfilling. But if a belief is just one observation, others are possible. Imagine wanting to speak up but thinking, no one wants to hear me. That belief shapes your reality until you choose a new observation. Picture yourself speaking confidently, feeling proud. You're not faking it, you're activating a different aspect of yourself. Each time a limiting belief arises, acknowledge it, then gently shift your focus to the reality you want. You are retraining your mind to see potential, not limitation. You are the empowered observer of your own life. As you quiet limiting beliefs, you make space for intuition. Intuition isn't just a hunch. It's your internal guidance system, a direct line to deeper wisdom. It speaks in feelings, gut reactions, and sudden insights. In a noisy world, intuition is the one voice that's truly your own. It guides you toward choices aligned with your values and well-being. Trusting it leads to more meaning and less conflict. We often ignore intuition because it defies logic. But to access its wisdom, we must be willing to listen to its whispers. The journey into quantum intuition is about honoring this inner guidance. Learn its language and let it guide you home to your authentic self. Our short meditation can help you further activate your pineal gland and increase intuition. Science reveals intuition as a sophisticated intelligence. Your subconscious processes a vast data, finding patterns beyond conscious awareness. Emotional intelligence is key. Emotions are data, not distractions. The gut, our second brain, processes cues before we're aware. Expert intuition comes from experience stored in the subconscious, guiding quick, accurate decisions. The pineal gland, or third eye, is linked to intuition in spiritual traditions. It may act as a biological antenna, tuning into subtle information. While science is still exploring, this gland could bridge physical and intuitive wisdom. Intuition draws from mind, body, and spirit. Trusting it connects you to a deeper intelligence. Intuition isn't just for dramatic moments, it's a practical, everyday tool. Remember a job interview that looked perfect on paper but felt wrong? Ignoring that gut feeling often leads to regret. In creativity, intuition might urge an artist to make a bold move that transforms their work. In relationships, a subtle feeling can tell you when to share or withhold personal news. Even small nudges, calling a loved one at the right moment, are intuition at work. These moments build trust in your inner voice. The more you listen, the clearer it becomes. Intuition helps you navigate life's complexities with grace. It's your internal guide, always available. By honoring small intuitive hits, you prepare for bigger decisions. Trust grows with each experience. Intuition is a reliable, benevolent guide. Listen and let it lead you. We'll be experiencing a short meditation that can help you further activate your pineal gland and increase your intuition. Intuition is a skill. Practice is essential. Begin with mindfulness. Pay attention to the present moment, quieting mental noise. Just 5 minutes of focused breathing daily can help. Bring awareness to your third eye, the Ajna chakra between your eyebrows. Imagine a soft indigo light there, signaling openness to deeper perception. After meditation, journal any feelings or ideas that arise. Don't judge, just record. Over time, patterns emerge, validating your intuition. Listen to your emotions. They're a primary channel for intuitive information. When making decisions, notice how each option feels in your body. Trust sensations of openness or contraction as guidance. Your body often knows before your mind does. By honoring emotions, you integrate heart and mind. This leads to more aligned, holistic choices. Now let's try a meditation to connect with your intuition. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath and imagine roots grounding you to the earth. Release tension and let yourself be present. Bring awareness to the center of your brain, your third eye. Imagine a seed of light there, glowing brighter with each breath. Breathe in golden white light, fueling your intuitive center. Ask yourself, what is ready to be released? Let thoughts or feelings surface. Place any limiting beliefs into a bubble of light and watch it float away. Feel the clarity and space left behind. When ready, return your awareness to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes, feeling grounded and clear. Embracing intuition is a lifelong practice. With mindfulness and meditation, you'll notice profound shifts. True confidence comes from trusting your inner compass, not external approval. You'll make decisions that honor your mind, heart, and spirit. Life becomes a dance. Less struggle, more flow. Intuition unlocks creativity, offering fresh ideas and solutions. You'll break free from old patterns and express your unique gifts. Be patient and kind to yourself on this journey. Every time you honor a gut feeling or question a limiting belief, you strengthen your intuition. You reclaim your power as the conscious observer of your life. Trust the wisdom within you. Keep practicing and listening. You have everything you need to live with clarity, confidence, and truth. Thank you for joining us today at Fusion of Knowledge TV. If you'd like to learn more about how science and spirituality, intuition and strategy join together to spark soul, as well as to receive more information, including meditations about how quantum physics can help you in your everyday life, you can subscribe to our channel here and visit us at fusionofknowledge.com.